these! I can't wait to roll on the throttle for the first time. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my God! This thing's bad! Oh, I gotta get me one of these. Hey guys, welcome back to another epic episode of Quad Nation. And as you can see, as promised, I'm on the brand new Sportsman 1000. This thing is an absolute animal. I mean, it is. I've heard a lot of great things about these machines. I know that they are the baddest of the bad, and they are fully capable of keeping up with the pinnacle of the sport quads, the Yamaha Raptor there. But I just hit it one time and I was blown away. I knew it would have power, but I never expected that much power. I mean, it feels like I'm on a 4x4 race car. This thing, I think it already, one roll of the throttle, I think it already changed my opinion. I think I have to get one of these for sure. They're bad. This is a bad girl, but this thing is bad too. So I'm really I'm glad I've never been on one of these, because, well, I'm glad that I'm able to film my real reaction, my genuine reaction, and reveal that to the world, being that I have only been on sport quads. Now, I've been on some old hunting style four-wheelers, but I'm talking like a 250 Recon. No. This is a whole nother animal. This is a sport quad transformed into a Decepticon beast. Like, it is unreal. So I'm really glad to be able to do this genuine reaction. You guys know how much I love the Yamaha Raptor and other sport quads, but let's see how much I really like this thing. Watch this, brother. Full send. This is bad! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh man! Oh! You can drift it like the Raptor! Dude, you can drift this like the Raptor, bro! I got you perfect. Holy, let's go one more time! Oh man, guys, this is probably the best first impression ride I've ever had. I like this thing more than any of the other things I've revealed to you guys other than Megatron. I still like the Raptor so far a little bit more, just because of how powerful and nimble it is. But this is... wow, this is second. This is second best so far, and I've only been on it 1 minute, so let's see what I can do. Oh yes, baby! This is insane! Oh man, look at her pull! 60! 65! Uphill! Oh! Oh! If you're addicted to drugs, you don't need drugs no more. This is all you need right here. 10 large and you can have All the cocaine you ever want. Oh my gosh! This thing is... Woo! Man, I don't like riding behind him. Dang! Oh hell! Did y'all see that on camera? I didn't even mean to do that. I'm sorry. Wow. The river's still pretty high. I feel like I'm on a big jet ski. There has been a gator staying across the way right there in that grass. Not a big one, but still a gator. Wow. Dude, this looks scary, bro. Like there could be a gator here. Or a drop off. Oh God, I just feel like I'm going down in a hole. there could be a big gator right there, bro. I jumped that. Oh, did you catch that? Go back, get that on video. Whoa! Too much. One more time. Oh gosh! Oh, I have too much fun with this thing. Come on, 50! Let's get 50! 50! Oh, I'm getting one of these! I made up my mind! I'm getting one of these!